Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Astrology for You. I myself Acharya Sanjay. In this video, generally one series is continuously going on about the Malika, and this Malika Shastra, or this is Shri Achyuta Malika and Jaifula Malika and Panchasakha Malika, and the end of this kaliyuga by or the Kalki Avatara at the time, and how we know what are the symptoms, particularly before 600 years ago. This great uh, authors or writers or this kind of great men or scholar person like Sri Achyuta, by the order of Lord Jagannath, they wrote all about the symptom. When you know that this Kaliyuga time is now finished, or the end part of the Kaliyuga, how the people's behavior and what is the animals' behavior and what is the environmental behavior. So first one, it is we know generally is the destruction time period already started, and they wrote their different anka. Anka means the time period. Kudiye anka in Udiya they wrote now. Kudiye anka means 20. This is, don't feel this. This is Anka Jyotish means it is a numerologics numerologies. It is different technical words are there. It is very impossible to decode. But now in present time, some researcher they decode all this thing. The basic symptoms are like this: that in the top of the hill or rock or mountain, the lotus flower will on the top, the particularly not in the downward, it is in top of the hill or rock. The lotus flower will automatically uncertain or not in right time. This is all kind of disbalance of nature. Not in right time. Any kind of natural disasters like cyclones and sudden, so like you feel like summer season heat, heat dome or heat bomb automatically, and now it is in different foreign country, particularly last 2 or 3 years. Uh, we had all we listen different kind of news media that heat dome or heat bomb was there, and due to that people they enter into the water and they cool themselves and all this thing. And another is in this Kali Yuga, the last part, particularly in India, the attitude and behavior in the female body is severely changed. Human attitude, brother and sister, they marry with each other, father and daughter, they marry with each other, and this kind of bad relationship, excessive, West culture, like they just not follow the right rule and regulation of marriage, particularly in Indian rule and regulation. And also in this book, he wrote that about the Jagannath temple, the great flag Patita Pavana is flew away 30 to 40 kilometer, and such kind of problem, and the stone from Lord Jagannath temple was fall down. So it is these all things are mentioned before 600 year, and now this incident in front of our eyes, we see all this thing. The sky is in red color. Some area already this kind of incident. Then different kind of animal problem. No, the severe disease. Now, and another important part, when all the cow dead, in particularly indigenous Jebo cow, it may by different kind of disease, viral disease and all. and 64 type of pandemic, and now we faced only one, that is corona and covid, and now the monkeypox and what H1N1 like type flu and all the kind of. So this is the destruction time, John, and what he wrote, 30 to 40% for prediction are already in Odisha and India. See, he wrote about the uh, in desert, severe cyclonic storm and flood condition. Already we saw in Kuwait or some country, uh, such kind of thing. Just impossible. But in this area, automatically, and male, that is gayism, male person, they marry with each other, and female marriage. This is all kind of unnatural behavior pattern of human being, and the small male person, uh, they just not uh, give pinda to their ancestors. In our India, this is pindadana. So they just not perform this such kind of rituals. Now all this thing in the general society we see in the present time. So I will give you more explanation about this kind of impact of kaliyuga, when the end part of kaliyuga. This is some basic thing under introduction, and why I just uh, make video on this subject, because the Jupiter is in Atichari condition, and this Jupiter Atichari condition and the dialogues of Malika, they are matched with each other. That's why I explain about this. Thank you.